It can't be 30 minutes.
Yeah. I know I still do that.
No, that's why. Good morning, my guys. See you right there for now, okay?
No different perspective.
Howdy folks, and welcome to the Calico Candy Mountain. Now please remember to remain seated. Always keep your hands, your arms, and your feet inside the car. And remember folks, there's no eating, drinking, smoking, and no photography. Once again folks, please, no flashlights when taking pictures. Now, with that being said, let's go get ourselves some candy. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Hey, here's the hall for the ones.
Strange is happening here, folks.
Did he say something strange in the neighborhood? They got all the balls. Oh. Excuse me.
These here candy vines have covered up the works. Literally. Cause I can't bring and have some candy. Best day ever. These vines.
We're getting ready for the big drop.
Turn on bird to candy. Guess I'll eat 'em.
I bet for kids this would be really scary because it feels like you're about to go really fast. You're not, but it feels like it.
Yeah, I keep thinking it's going to be like Big Thunder Mountain.
Yeah.
It's her! She Willikers! She's real! It's really her! It's the Pink Fairy! Welcome, brave explorers. I am the Pink Fairy. You reached the heart of my candy vine, and just in time for my candy!
so they don't project on that.
In honor of your bravery, you are hereby entitled to take home as much candy as you can carry. Fill your pockets and your pails with all the flavors of my candy bar. The pink fairy bids you farewell and welcomes you back anytime. Sweet dreams.
Now, one sweet tooth, let me tell you. There's a whole band of news back here. Somebody didn't know that yet. That's just 200 gumball so far. This sweet candy sure beats breaking rocks any day.
Howdy, folks. I'll be down in 1 minute.
Yeah.
So it was a close one. Now, once this train has come to complete stop, you got to get stain on it, lift open on that wooden seat by the door.